Just wanted to get some video of the dry fit of the rolling shop cabinet. I didn't have any plans for this, so I did have to kind of make up the numbers myself. But I ended up making it the same width as my table saw. The width of the table saw, and about the same width as the same length as the table saw as well. I used some birch plywood, and it's all built with the use the table saw to cut up the sheet goods, and to also dado out the 3/4 inch to accept all the different components. I'll run you around here to the back to show you the idea. The back is, the bottom is dadoed in, and then the whole back is dadoed in, and then we're going to have wedge shaped pieces in the top here at the dado to hold that and then secure the top to that. So very pleased how it all turned out. And I'm just heading to the hardware store to buy some bolts to fasten the rolling the casters. So I'm going to do that, and I'll get those attached and glued up and screwed, and then we will take a video. Get a video of the cart before I put the top on. It's all glued and screwed together, and I put the casters on. You can see the bolts in there, and the wheels. 2 are straight, like non-swiveling, and 2 are high quality swiveling, and it rolls really well. I'll roll it around a little bit. Very pleased, and I'm about to put the top on, and it did come out to exactly 1/16 below the table saw surface. So the planning and the measuring worked out well, and just gonna put the top on and put some oak around the edges, and I'll have to go to the store tomorrow and buy some type of finish for it. And hopefully I'm gonna build a drawer tonight, a large top drawer that'll come out, and I'll be able to put odds and ends and fasteners and drivers and all that kind of stuff. And I'm very pleased with it. So 10:30, and I just finished my woodworking for tonight. I installed the top on the rolling shop cabinet, and then I edged it with some oak, and as you can see there, it's all been done. And then I just applied a coat of Minwax polyacrylic, I think it's called, to the top. Now it's got 2 hours to dry, and I'll do another coat probably in the morning. And then I did the drawer. I did that a couple hours ago with the coating, and it obviously installs right under there, slides in. I still have to do the doors, but other than that, it's pretty much done. And I'm going to do probably 3 or 4 coats of this polyacrylic. That's a weird word. But it's the exact height, or about a 1/16, maybe a 32nd under my table saw height, with the casters and everything. So it works great as an outfeed table. I've already been using it as that, just to build it. It's been really handy. It seems like a great thing to build as a first thing for my shop, because my shop's so small. Having it completely mobile means, if I want to do long rips, sheet goods, I can use an outfeed table. I can even turn it sideways, so it's a really long outfeed table. Or if I need to cross cut that plywood on the table saw, I can put it beside the table saw and use it as a support for running the goods that way. So I'm really pleased. I've already been using it as all those things, and so I just need to finish it off.